Welcome to AAAPOS. Did you know that Retail Manager has a new home? On the 1st of March 2022, AAAPOS acquired MYOB RetailManager. MYOB RetailManager is now AAAPOS RetailManager. Since March 1st, 2022, we have been diligently working on enhancing Retail Manager, having already released multiple updates, and another on the way for 2023. We look forward to working with you, and we are very excited to bring you new and exciting features for Retail Manager, as well as taking Retail Manager into the 21st century using the latest technology. If there is something that you would like to see in an upcoming Retail Manager release, please let us know. We would love to hear from you. AAAPOS has concentrated on bringing greater stability to Retail Manager by focusing on areas that have been impacting Retail Manager users the most with very slow performing functions used every day. A lot of the performance issues within Retail Manager affecting the printing of transactions, statements, looking up transactions, and committing transactions when Retail Manager is used in a multi-terminal environment has been dramatically improved. New techniques have been applied to these areas that will alleviate day-to-day business operations. Several Retail Manager users that are using the latest update have reported amazing speed improvements when looking up transactions, printing and email statements, and reprinting transactions. The latest features and enhancements include: the payment details section is locked when there is a stock item in the edit item section of the sales list and the item has not been committed to the list. A warning to the goods received window for the invoice date is more than 60 days into the past or future. We have added a lookup by invoice number to the debtor payments window. Added new unit of measures meter, square meter, centimeter, millimeter, and ton. When editing a sales order and adding items, you can now change the pricing grade for an item where in the past the price would be locked. The bulk price updates has been enhanced with extra filtering. We have now enhanced the deletion of stock in bulk. Sending emails can now be staggered in batches. This will allow you to send out emails in groups over time by pausing the process. The speed to reprint all transaction records has been improved. Any printing of transactional records either through tools, reprint, or through the transaction window print benefits from the speed improvements. The lookup window has now been made bigger for easier viewing. The speed to load records in each tab has been improved. The records in the Payments tab now shows the original invoice debtor payment instead of the individual invoices when one payment is allocated to many invoices. The custom field is no longer case sensitive and can be searched for part of a word or number. You can now search sales orders and quotes by dollar value. Look up customer phone numbers or part of a phone number. The purchase order and invoice numbers have been added to the goods received lookup window. The return authorization number has been added to the returned goods lookup window. A feature to send invoices, statements, sales orders, quotes, etc. to more than one email address. The option to display customer messages as an alert pop-up message in the sales window. The option to print the customer's mobile number or email on A4 receipts. The direct SMTP email functionality has been updated to send emails using the latest TLS protocol version. MYOB Accounting Export API, you can now connect to MYOB Business Lite, Professional, Account Write Plus, Premier and all older versions. An option to include additional security for MYOB API connection in the Accounting Export Setup window. Printing 40-column receipts. The header label now defaults to tax invoice instead of sales docket. The time it takes to generate the statements has been improved. The search window is now bigger, making it easier for finding products. Use a partial text search option is available. You do not have to use the =* word * option when searching. Prompt for a partial text search option if you wish to search by barcode first. We have now enhanced the importing of stock in bulk. You can now import and update products by matching just the barcode. Other features and enhancements include Rebuild a compact reminder to keep your shopfront optimized. Option to allow goods received of static quantity items. Resizing of all main transaction windows, which resizes to full screen. Fix quantity in sales screen, which will hold the value when pricing grades are toggled. When paying multiple invoices with one payment, only one invoice payment will be emailed. Speed improvements when loading records in the email contact and email audit windows. Speed improvements when loading records in the sales summary window. Add custom field from sales window to packing slips. Do you manage an e-commerce website? Find out what AAAPOS Web Store Manager can do for you. Web Store Manager enables Retail Manager to establish connections with various platforms, such as Shopify, eBay, WooCommerce, SKU Vault, and Nutrien Ag CRT, combined rural traders. Experience the convenience of automated syncing for stock control, order downloads, and more between your store and web sales channels. This time-saving feature eliminates the hassle of duplicating efforts in managing your products and sales, freeing up your valuable time for more important tasks. As a valued customer, we also would like to let you know that we are here for you 7 days a week, Monday through Friday, 7 a.m. to 7 p.m, and Saturday through Sunday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time. We offer phone, email and remote support using TeamViewer, which will allow us to quickly log in to your Retail Manager PC to fix any problems that may arise. This will speed up support times and minimize disruption to your business.